Today's tool of the day is a pretty simple one. A couple suction cups on a rope. Window holder. That's how Mac Tools has them labeled. Their part number is a Whiskey Hotel 63990. Not sure who makes these for Mac. We'll try to figure it out, but this is all they are. And if you're in this industry long enough, you're inevitably going to do some window regulators. To do the window regulator, you know, this one's all jammed up. You know, you got to be able to hold the glass up. The simple, quick DIY way, piece of duct tape up and over the top. I like to use these window holders. They work great. You bring it up, you stick it on the one side, and you bring it around, and you stick it on the other. Simple as that. And then you don't have to clean all the duct tape goo off the window when you're done, and that's enough to hold the glass up while you replace the regulator. Good tool, pretty handy to have. I'll try to find a link for you.